If you want awesome products at great prices, check out the description. France is taking a significant step towards its goal of a tobacco-free generation by 2032. Starting this Sunday, lighting up on beaches and in public parks will be illegal, marking a major shift in public health policy. This comprehensive ban extends to bus shelters and areas immediately surrounding schools, libraries, and swimming pools, effectively creating smoke-free zones designed to protect children from the harmful effects of secondhand smoke. The timing, just one day after the official publication in the Government Gazette and a week before the start of school holidays, underscores the urgency of these new regulations. The move aims to provide immediate protection for children during the summer months, shielding them from the dangers of passive smoking in popular outdoor spaces. However, the ban's implementation isn't without its critics. Some anti-tobacco advocates expressed disappointment that the regulations don't extend to the terraces of bars and restaurants, a common smoking haven for many French citizens. Furthermore, the exclusion of electronic cigarettes from the ban has also drawn criticism, with concerns raised about the potential for flavored e-cigarettes to entice young people. The initial expectation was for the ban to come into effect on Tuesday, following an earlier announcement by the Health Ministry. This accelerated timeline, resulting from the expedited publication, reflects the government's commitment to rapid implementation. Individuals violating the ban face significant fines, ranging from €135, $160, to a maximum of €700. Health and Family Minister Catherine Vautrin passionately defended the new rules, stating that tobacco must be eliminated from spaces frequented by children. She emphasized parks, beaches, and schools as places for play, learning, and breathing clean air, not for smoking. This initiative, she asserted, is a crucial step toward creating a generation free from the harms of tobacco. Yet, not everyone agrees with the scope of the new legislation. Yves Martinet, president of the National Committee Against Smoking, CNCT, while acknowledging the ban as a step in the right direction, voiced concerns about its limitations. He points to the omission of café terraces, arguing that children frequent these areas as well. Martinet, a pulmonologist, also highlighted the absence of e-cigarettes from the ban, citing the use of flavors as a significant factor in attracting young users. This perspective is echoed by other critics who feel the ban is insufficient and fails to address the broader societal issue of tobacco consumption. Conversely, representatives from the hospitality industry offer a contrasting viewpoint. Frank Delvaux, president of the Union of Hotel Trades and Industries, UMIH, for the Paris region, believes a ban on smoking in café terraces would simply displace the problem, forcing smokers to congregate outside these establishments. Similarly, Frank Trouet of the Hotels and Restaurants of France, GHR, emphasizes the ability of smokers and non-smokers to coexist on terraces, which he considers vital spaces for social interaction and freedom. The implications of passive smoking in France are substantial. Official figures indicate that 3,000 to 5,000 deaths per year are attributed to passive exposure to tobacco smoke. While smoking rates are steadily declining, with the lowest prevalence recorded since 2000 according to the French Addiction Agency, OFDT, the impact remains significant. Less than a quarter of adults aged 18 to 75 reported daily smoking in 2023. However, the overall toll is staggering. Smoking causes 75,000 deaths annually in France and costs society a considerable €156 billion per year, encompassing lost lives, diminished quality of life, reduced productivity, prevention costs, law enforcement expenses, and healthcare expenditures. Public opinion largely supports the measures, with a recent survey revealing that 62% of the French population favors a ban on smoking in public places. This new law represents a significant turning point in France's approach to public health, a bold move towards a future free from the pervasive presence of tobacco. The debate, however, continues as the nation grapples with balancing public health concerns with the freedoms and traditions associated with smoking in certain social contexts. The coming months and years will undoubtedly reveal the long-term effects of this ambitious initiative and its ultimate success in achieving a tobacco-free generation. The implementation of this ban, while controversial in certain aspects, underscores the growing global awareness of the significant health risks associated with secondhand smoke and reflects a determined commitment to safeguarding public well-being. particularly the health of children. The success of this measure will be closely watched, not only in France but also internationally, as other nations consider similar strategies in their ongoing battle against the harmful effects of tobacco.